that our viewers are going to want to know is,
Cool.
well, I can see that I can add badges and I can put all those on. How do I make a badge?
Oh, I was wondering if people are
Good
wondering that
question,
question.
Greg.
Okay, awesome. So I've already started on our Nebo at Home Learning website. You'll notice that I started at the very bottom of our elementary, and this is our Zoom archive page, Zoom webinars. So to get there is under, to be elementary, and then you'll see at the very bottom it says Zoom webinars. A couple of things that you could do and scroll all the way down to the bottom of that page. Sorry, I'm in the edit mode. Digital badges, we will add right here our Zoom link for today. Underneath I put 4 different links that you can use. The top 2 are to create your own badge. It says badge design, and there is an Adobe Spark that you could use. Those are great ones for creating your own badge. To help you with that, there's also a color picker, so you can make sure you get the exact color that you want. And maybe you're looking at something, some other website, you can steal that color. So that's a fun extension. And then I found another website, coordinating color site, you can kind of play around with. It kind of gives you an ideas of what should be some color, complementary colors, tertiary colors, and like, it's kind of a fun website you can explore. We can look at that. But one of my favorites is this badge design. And let me pull that website up. Here it is. It's called Badge Design. It's free. That's one thing I want to mention. The first thing I would do, let me actually maybe restart this one. Start from scratch. There we go. So the blank template. You can shrink that down just a little bit. There we go. And it gives you, let's see, 12 different options right now. Let's say we want Cindy to create this babysitter, right? We got to put an icon in there. So let's pick this one here at the bottom. I'll just pick something for fun. You'll notice that again, it's customizable. So I can come over and I can change the color. Cindy, what's your favorite color? And I can kind of play around with some of these.
Purple.
Purple, oh, we want purple. Okay, there we go.
There
How
you
about a
go.
purple badge? I can come back over, can play with, you want it light on the outside, dark?
I like it lighter.
Light, you like it lighter on the outside?
Yeah, I
Okay,
like that.
kind of
There you
pink.
go.
And how do we like this? Maybe that light blue? Okay, these are the dots.
Mhm.
And again, if I
Nice.
want this the exact color, you'll notice that there is a number, a hashtag, and this little code underneath that color. I can copy it. I can then come over to the other color and say, paste that in. Oop, there we go.
Oh, nice.
And that way they match, right? So that would get the exact same colors. The little dots match the background. If you, again, that little color picker, you can go through that again. They have a little eyedropper there. Check. So there we go. I created my background. You notice that this will download as a PNG. So this checkerboard behind will be invisible, transparent. Now from here, you have a couple different options. You can come over, you can add in text. So if I want to come over and do this here, there we go. And sometimes I realize you got to click on that, make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And I can put, what should we name this one? I just call it maybe the Babysitter Award, Babysitter Achiever. There we go. And my font is kind of that gray. It's like, oh, this doesn't look very good. There's a little circle in the middle of that. I can click on that circle. I can drag it down. There we go, or move it wherever I want to. There we go, Babysitter. But maybe I want to change that color. It's not popping. Maybe you want to make it purple or that pink. Oh, I'll make sure to get that pink, right? Would be awesome. And if I want to make sure I get the exact same color. So I'm going to click on it, find that pink. I can just highlight it, Control C to copy, come back to my text. Here we go. And erase what's in there and paste in the new one so I have the exact same color so it looks good.
So
And yeah,
fancy.
I know, so fun, right? You got to make it look cute. I can change the size. There's a size button. I can go through and make that a little bit bigger. Maybe make it a little bit smaller so it kind of fits in that spot. Or maybe I want to put, I want to put that Babysitter Achiever up here. Could be kind of fun. It's going to get bigger and then it's going to, there we go. Maybe make that a little bit bigger, put it, center it right there, perfect. Maybe babysitter achiever. I could add some more text in here. Maybe call this like the super grandma or something. Yeah, super grandma. I could put whatever I want in there, right? So we can make your badge. There's images along the side. So there's text, there's images. I could add a new image, upload something in there, find something from Google. I can add in icons. Those are kind of cool. So let's put in maybe like, since we're just playing with this, a star or something. I could shrink that down. I can make another one on the other side. Arrange, there we go, duplicate that. There we go, how about that? Put a couple stars next to the super grandma. And again, I'm just going fast. This is not, right? I'd take more time, maybe a few more minutes and get it just right. But there you go. So I can say, make my badge, done. When I'm done, I can come up to download badge as a PNG. So I'm gonna click on it. It says, hey, download your badge for free. It wants you to put in something. I'll be honest, I put in a fake email. So whoever is badge@aol.com, you're getting this email, not me. So you can put in something in there, just make something up. And then it's gonna go through across the top. It says it's downloading. There we go. It's gonna say, all right, where do you wanna download it? This is another time I'll put a perk in there for Google Drive file stream. So when I click on my file stream, it will allow me to save directly to my Google Drive. If you don't, you'll have to download it to maybe like your desktop or something, your F drive, and then upload it to your Google Drive. So this will just save you an extra step.
Okay, seriously, I
Seriously.
need to know how to do that.
Oh, we have a
Make
tutorial
a
on
Google
that.
Drive. You do? Okay.
Yeah, we can send it to
Sorry.
you.
Okay.
No problem. It's a great one. I
Yeah.
made it. It's good. So I'm going to save it to my Google Drive. I'm going to change the name. This is the Babysitter Award, right? Babysitter. Give it a name. Again, this is going to save it as a PNG file, that invisible background. Now, to get this to work in this spreadsheet, the Flippity, you can't just save it as a PNG file and upload it from there. So I'm going to come over, here it is, Babysitter Award. And the badge URL. So one of the things, I'm going to go back to Flippity. I mentioned the instructions. It's going to go through and say things you can do, things you can't do. Frequently asked questions. The URL must end in a .gif, a PNG, JPEG, or JPEG with an E in it. You cannot use files that are stored to your Google Drive, sorry, but it does say you can use Google Drawings. There it is, next one. You can use Google Drawings and use the publish to the web link. So that's what we're going to do today. If you forget, that's where it is, the instructions. So let's go back to my Google folder, and I should have my babysitter. There it is, my babysitter achiever. It looks like that is a PNG. So now I'm going to take that, go to new, more, and put this into a Google drawing. Create a new Google drawing, and let's call this, wait for it to load up. Makes my baby sitter award, right, or badge. And then let's see if it's, let me drag that in here. There it is. Or I can go to insert image from Google Drive, because that's where I saved it. Now, if you save it on your desktop, you could upload it right from your computer there as well. Another option for you. So we're gonna find that image. I'm gonna stretch it out so you can kind of see what it looks like. Now, I don't want this extra white space on the side, even though it's invisible. So I'm gonna grab this little corner and drag it over, trying to make it even on both sides so it looks cute. Boom, there we go. So here is my Babysitter Achiever badge. I'm gonna come up to the file, again, publish to the web. And here it is, that publish button. Are you sure? Yes. It's gonna give me this link. I'm gonna copy it. Control C to copy. I'm gonna come over to my spreadsheet. Here it is. I'm gonna paste in that URL. And now I'm gonna come back over to my Flippity page, hit the refresh button. And now you're gonna have, there it is. There it is, look at that. Babysitter Achiever Award, Super Grandma, boom, done.